The Sealey PW1712 12-volt rechargeable pressure washer. This lightweight rechargeable cordless pressure washer is ideal for a huge variety of domestic cleaning applications, such as cleaning vehicles, motorcycles, bicycles, caravans and motorhomes. It can be powered by using either a vehicle's 12-volt power socket or via its own built-in rechargeable lead-acid battery, which provides up to 40 minutes of continuous use. It also includes a 17-litre water tank, which can be detached from the base for easier refilling, a 6-metre hose, allowing you to wash easily around most vehicles, 2 nozzles, one with a variable jet and a lockable trigger, and a fixed brush. Both of these are fitted with detergent bottles, an accessory storage pouch, durable wheels, a shoulder strap for easier transportation, and a shower attachment, which is ideal for camping. These features make it ideal for use where no mains electric is available, such as campsites, classic car events and track days. The Sealey PW1712, perfect whether you're home or away.